Welcome back to the channel, guys. Bitcoin is back in the spotlight, this time not just as a speculative asset, but once again being called digital gold. That comparison, which was big during Bitcoin's early days, kind of faded over time. But with global markets in a bit of a mess and gold prices hitting new highs, some traders are bringing that old narrative back. And more on that in just a moment. BTCC is a crypto exchange that has some really cool benefits. There's no VPN or KYC needed to get started. It's been around for 13 years. You get access to over 300 different cryptocurrencies and leverage all the way up to 500x. Plus, there are bonuses. There's a 10% deposit bonus if you use my referral link down in the description below. And you can get bonuses all the way up to $10,055. So if this is something that you want to look into more, or if you're ready to get started, again, you can find that link down in the description below. All right, so on Monday morning in Asia, Bitcoin zoomed past $87,000. We're actually seeing it above $88,000 right now. That's a big move considering it has been down from its January peak of $108,000. This bounce didn't happen in isolation either. Other major cryptos like Cardano, BNB, XRP, Ethereum, they also saw decent gains with Solana, SOL up over 5% in just the past week. So what's driving this comeback? Well, there's a few things. First, there's the pressure from global trade tensions and tariffs, which are triggering inflation fears and raising concerns over currency values. Historically, when this kind of economic uncertainty hits, investors flock to the safe havens like gold. Now it looks like Bitcoin might be joining that club again. Nick Ruck from LVRG Research pointed out that while Bitcoin used to move more in sync with US stocks, that's changing. It's now behaving more like gold, rising while equities drop. Bitcoin's move above $87,000 signals renewed investor confidence, especially after the tariff panic, he said in a Telegram chat with CoinDesk. And gold, it just hit a fresh record of $3,380 per ounce, which now we're seeing that even higher, right? 3,423. And yeah, that's putting its year-to-date gains above 25%. That's strong, and it seems like Bitcoin is starting to mirror that strength, even if it's still down 20% from the earlier highs. And Monday's surge sent Bitcoin to levels not seen since what some call Trump's Liberation Day back in early April. And adding to the drama is the US dollar. The dollar index, or DXY, just crashed to a 3-year low, and which some analysts are believing that means most of the bad economic news is already priced in. That opens the door for Bitcoin to keep climbing. And Jeff Mai from BTSE tied the dollar's fall to political intention. He said that Trump's desire to remove Fed Chair Jerome Powell and push for interest rate cuts is scaring people out of U.S. government debt and the dollar. Instead, they're looking for safety, turning to gold, European bonds, and yes, that of Bitcoin. And when interest rates drop, more money flows into the system, reducing the dollar's value and nudging investors toward assets with stronger potential. And if Bitcoin really is becoming a safe haven, it's not alone. Let's check out how a few other tokens are doing according to CoinDesk AI market data. So we have Cardano. With Cardano, we're looking at it holding strong above 63 cents. And it's trending in a steady upward channel with support at around 61 cents. A major spike in trading volume helped Cardano push through the resistance at 63 cents. And we're actually seeing above even 64 cents right now. Technical signs suggest there's room for more growth, and the current price isn't even overbought yet, meaning buyers might still be in control. And XRP, also looking like it's doing quite well. It's broken out of its long sideways trend, and it could keep rising. Fibonacci analysis points to $2.15 as a target, with even $2.18 possible if bulls stay in charge. Right now, they're looking really good. With Solana, it surged over 10%, breaking resistance at $135. creating new support levels. On-chain data shows that a lot of recent trading activity between $129 and $144. It's riding an ascending price channel, which is usually a bullish sign. Increased volume on price jumps confirms the momentum is strong. And then we've got BNB, which crossed the $600 mark thanks to a 3.2% gain. And one big reason, well, Binance recently burned 1.57 million BNB. That's worth over $1 billion, taking supply off the market. That's often bullish. On top of that, large holders, or the whales, they're buying during the current market swings. Open interest also jumped to $760 million, with most traders betting BNB has more room to climb. All right, so what is the big takeaway? As gold shines and the dollar weakens, Bitcoin's old role as digital gold is making a comeback, and it's pulling the rest of the crypto market up with it. Whether this sticks depends on global conditions, but for now, crypto is flashing signs of strength again. Okay, so let me know how you guys are feeling about the market right now. Do you think we're going to see some more momentum? Do you think we're going to see something like XRP pushing all the way up here to around $2.50, $2.60? How about Bitcoin? All right, let us know in the comments down below. And again, you can find that link to BTCC if you want to check that out or get started. That it's in the description. And I'm also over on Blue Sky. Thank you so much for the new follow. We're at 32 followers right now, trying to get to 40. I'm at Crypto Atlas. You can also find the direct link to this in the description. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members. God bless, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.